Today I'm going to tell you a bit about what tools you have access to and how to safely use them. Safety goggles. These are very, very important. You must use safety glasses or safety goggles when you are doing anything with tools, and definitely whenever you're drilling or cutting any kind of material. And yes, if you have eyeglasses, you must still use safety glasses. Second, you must not use tools that you don't know how to use. When you've done your tool training, you'll get a sticker on your badge that'll indicate that you know how to use the tools which students are able to use. There are a variety of tools which you cannot use as a student, but which PI staff can use for you. If you are caught grossly misusing tools, you'll have your tool qualification taken from you, and you'll have to re-qualify. Third, in addition to protecting yourself, you have to protect the facilities we use. This includes not making messes, vacuuming up metal chips and other debris when you're done, and using plastic table protector mats. These are heavy rubber mats which you are required to have on your tables when working on your robot. In general, if you're doing something that applies a lot of force, such as drilling or sawing, you should have your workpiece firmly secured to your workbench or table. Clamps, like this, or you can do it with vices. So, on to some specific dangers. First of all, any kind of metal cutting process creates metal chips, which are sharp. They also conduct electricity, so they're a hazard to both you and your robots. You can mitigate these hazards by vacuuming or sweeping them up. We have a shop vac available for your use. If you've got booze or metal chips stuck to the edge of the hole, you should file them away. We've got a variety of different sorts of files and other deburrs for you. Incidentally, you must remove all sharp edges from your robot before competition. Hacksaws. They are, of course, sharp. For example, when you're just about done hacksawing and about to break through, you'll want to make sure to keep your hands out of the path of the sharp end of the piece of metal you just cut off. You do not want to have things like that like this happen. Also, hacksawed metal is often hot. When using a drill, make sure that you have the drill bit in correctly. It's easy to accidentally get the drill bit crooked. This is especially easy with the smaller drill bits. If the drill bit is not in straight, you'll probably break it, which is bad, and you'll also have a risk of hurting yourself with the broken end of the drill bit. When working with pretty much any kind of sharp tool, it's best to make sure that there is nobody within arm's length of you, because if something slips and the tool and your hand flies out, you'll be less likely to, say, stab someone. If you don't know how to use something, ask. All staff members in PI can direct you to someone who knows what you need to know. Don't just try to do something if you don't know that it will work safely. Any member of PI Kit Dev Mechanical, or myself, Ritu Kiragi, or Doug Hutchings will be able to give you specific information on tools, as they are the shop managers. You can refer to our videos or to the PI manuals for further information. Thank you.